What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking travel rewards credit cards. Today's card is the American Express card. First off, if you're new here on this channel, we talk about travel, exploration, and photography. If that sounds like something interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you can get future updates on my videos. All right, so we're going to look at the American Express Gold card. I looked at this card last year, so in 2018. We're going to do an update for 2019. I'm updating all my cards, so we're going to talk about all the different cards out there. So we'll do the American Express Gold today. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the first thing that I always do when I look at these cards and I review these cards, the first thing I want to know is the annual fee. So the annual fee on this card is $250. That's not waived the first year, so you do have to pay that up front. Okay. Sign-up bonus on this card. The sign-up bonus is pretty good. You get 35,000 membership reward points. That's after spending $2,000 within the first 3 months. So spending $2,000 shouldn't be too hard for most people. And you get that 35,000 membership reward points, which can go a long way. Now, there were sign-up bonuses last year, the 50,000 sign-up bonus. I have not seen any recently, but they can still be out there. So do some research. And in the comments section, if you guys have any links or anything like that to the 50,000 point sign-up bonus, please put in the comments and you can help other people out to find that. Okay, let's look at the earn possibility here. So with the earn possibility on this card, you're going to get 4 times points at U.S. restaurants and U.S. supermarkets. Okay, and that's up to $25,000 in purchases. That's really good. Okay, although it's only U.S. supermarkets and U.S. restaurants, it's still a really good perk. Okay, not everyone travels outside of the country. If you do travel outside the country and you have other cards, other travel cards, those are the cards that you would use if you're in another country. But as far as earning in the U.S., it's amazing. That 4 times points is great. Okay, you'll also get 3 times points, and that's booking your airline travel, booking directly with the airline, as well as using Amex travel. Okay, so that's good. Then you're going to get 1 point for every dollar spent on all other purchases. So not bad. The earn possibility on this card is really good. Okay, it's ahead of the Chase Sapphire Reserve in many aspects. The only thing that the Chase Sapphire Reserve has over this when it comes to earn is the fact that the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can use it in other countries and still get 3 points for every dollar spent. Okay, all right, moving on down. Let's look at the dining credit. You get a $120 dining credit. Okay, so that's going to be $10 every month that you can use at participating restaurants. Okay, and they have Grubhub, Seamless, Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris, Shake Shack. So you have some different places that you can go to. I know what some people do is they'll just go to like Cheesecake Factory and they'll get a gift card and maybe get 2 or 3 or 4 gift cards and then come back maybe in 4 months and go in and have a meal. You can just go in there and have a meal with $10, but obviously $10, it's not going to go very far at a restaurant, at most restaurants. Okay, looking at some of the other benefits here, the hotel collection, you're going to get a $100 hotel credit, so that's really good. So if you book with Hotel Collection, you can do that. You also get a $100 airline fee credit. Okay, so that's for incidentals. That's always good to have because you never know when you might have to pay for a bag or you might want to pay for entertainment or something like that or food or something on the plane. So that's always good. You do have to designate the plane, though. So you kind of have to have a commitment with one airline. Let's say it's American Airlines. You make that commitment, and you put that airline as your designated airline. So some of the other things, the American Express preferred seating, I think this is pretty interesting, the fact that if you're booking concert tickets and things like that, you can get preferred seating, which is nice. They also have the extended warranty, purchase protection, and the return protection, which is really good. So let's say you purchase an item. Let's say within 90 days you want to return that item and they won't accept it. Like wherever you purchase it, they won't accept it. So with the return protection, you can still get refunded if it's less than 90 days. So that's pretty good. All right. So my overall opinion when it comes to this card, and this is the same way I felt last year when they first revamped the card. It's an amazing card to get. Okay, I like the card with the Amex Platinum. Those 2 cards together, they make the best tandem that's out there that I can think of, because you have really good earn possibility with the Gold card, and then you also have some really good perks with the Amex Platinum. So this is still one of those cards that's out there. I don't have the card yet. I never got it. I didn't get it back then. It is a card that I have my eye on, both this card and the Amex Platinum. So those are probably the next two cards that I'll be getting. Those will be the first cards that I get when it comes to Amex. I'm still working on my Chase ecosystem, and I might get one more card with Chase, and then I'll move over to Amex and start getting those cards. But I'd love to know what you guys think. Do you guys have this card? Do you like it? Do you pros and cons? All that good information, please leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.